Thousands have been evacuated from villages around a volcano near the Philippine capital. The Taal Volcano has blasted a dark grey plume into the sky. Authorities have raised the alert level. That means magma is near or at the surface of a volcano and a hazardous eruption is imminent. An eruption last year displaced hundreds of thousands of people and briefly closed Manila's international airport. Authorities say it's too early to know if the volcano's current unrest will lead to a full-blown eruption. With evacuations underway, officials are facing another problem. They have to make sure the emergency shelters do not become coronavirus hotspots. Displaced villagers have to wear masks. They are also sheltered in tents set safely apart. Most evacuation camps have set up isolation areas for those who display COVID-19 symptoms.
Siyempre, sobrang hirap po. Ang kinatatakutan po yung una-una nga po, yung COVID-19.
Kinakabahan po. Lalo pa nga po't ganyan. Pandemic, mahirap umalis ang bahay. Baka po sa dami ng tao, hindi man kilala lahat.